Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to discuss about the interfaces with classes in TypeScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Using the interface with the classes in TypeScript is a great way to ensure that the classes adhere to a certain structure and the contract. Let's dive into the how we can use the interface with classes. Okay, so first we define the interface. Okay, then implement the interface in the class. So class circle implements interface shape, constructor, that is private radius, calculate area. Then again rectangle class implements the shape with the private width, private height, then calculate the area. Then here we are going to create the instances rectangle and the circle, and then we are circle dot calculate area and rectangle dot calculate area. Let's try to understand this code. Okay, so here we have the full code, and here is the explanation of that one. So here you can see we define an interface named shape that requires a method calculate area. So here we are defining the shape with the method calculate area. We have two classes, circle and the rectangle, both of which implement the shape interface. Okay, so so if you want to inherit this one interface, so class rectangle, so you have to add implements for the interface. Okay, so implements shape and circle implements shape. Okay, the circle class and the rectangle each have provide their own implementation of the calculate area, so they have the own implementation. Okay, so there is a definition, but the calculate area, they both class has their own implementation method. We create instances of the circle and the rectangle classes and use the calculate area method to calculate their respective areas. Using the interface in this way promotes consistency and adheres to the principle of abstraction and the polymorphism, allowing you to treat different classes that implement the same interface in a uniform manner. This helps to make your code modular, maintainable, especially in the larger projects. Okay, so there is a point. Remember that interfaces can include properties that must be implemented by the classes, not just methods. This allows you to define the complete contract must be followed. So this is, you can say that they have the functions also. Okay. So the interface vehicle, they have the brand, year, start, and the stop. Let's copy and understand this flow. So here we have the flow. Okay, so here we go with that one. So in this example, the car class implements the vehicle. So here we go with this one, the car. So this is the interface vehicle. So we have, with the help of implements, we are going to use that interface. The car implements vehicle interface by providing implementations for the required properties brand and the year and the method start and the stop. This guarantees that any instance of a car adheres to the vehicle contract. Means whenever, if I suppose that there is a string, it should be string, and it is a number, it should be a number. So the car implements the vehicle. So public brand should be string and public year should be a number, and the start, so it will console this dot brand, and the stop this dot brand dot card stop. Okay, so they are assessing their method also. Okay, so this, they are just initialize that methods, and the implementation does take place in the class. Okay, so this is the how we can use the type classes in the interface. Okay, so this is how we are able to implement interfaces with classes in the TypeScript. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.